You guys, my house is a mess, especially the laundry. I just haven't been able to keep up with it this week with busy things going on at work and my kids at school, and it's so crazy. But I have about 15-20 minutes before I have to hop on a work call, and I'm gonna set a timer, see if I can try and make a dent. Wish me luck. Give this video a thumbs up to show your support, and please follow along to watch me speed clean my house. Okay, let's set this timer. Let's do this. Does anybody else have problems with their kids tracking in all kinds of dirt and grass and stuff? How am I supposed to wash this sock? If I had $1 for every sock I had to turn right side out in order to wash it, I would be rich. I am at 24 minutes and I have 5 minutes left until I've got to hop on my call. So it's been long enough that I can switch out the laundry and get another load going, and then I'm gonna have to call it good. Okay, I hope you can see that's better than it was. There's so much more I'd like to do. I'll give you a quick tour and show you that there's still so much that remains to be done. Isn't that life? But I did my best. I don't know, it took a little bit longer than I wanted to spend, and again, it's gonna require more work to get it done, but I feel good knowing I at least made a dent, and now I gotta get ready to work. Okay, the table is nice and clean, and then I've got this kitchen island all ready to make dinner. The stovetop is clean. There are still plenty of dishes in the sink that I will load up once the dishwasher is done running, but got pots soaking so that I can scrub those later. And as you saw, the living room is a little more put together. I would of course love to do the floors and stuff like that, but it's way better than it was. I sure hope you enjoyed this speed cleaning video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for 2 new videos a week, all about ways to make mom life as great as it can be, despite how exasperated and overwhelmed we might feel. I love connecting with you, so drop me some comments about whether this motivated you to clean what you could in just a few minutes, or other tips you have for getting things done when you're short on time. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Have such a good day.